Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Bitcoin on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Coinbase, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for 2025, making it simple, secure, and straightforward. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this guide will help you avoid common pitfalls and get your funds transferred safely. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. You'll need a Ledger Nano X device with your Bitcoin already stored, a verified Coinbase account, and a stable internet connection. Also, ensure your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. Check this in the Ledger Live app to stay ahead of any 2025 updates. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable. Unlock your device with your PIN, then navigate to the Bitcoin wallet in the app. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. In Ledger Live, select your Bitcoin account and click on the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient address, so head over to Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account, go to your Bitcoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's for Bitcoin to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back in Ledger Live, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which might be higher in 2025 due to potential blockchain upgrades. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm on your Ledger device by approving it on the screen. Once the transaction is broadcast, it might take a few minutes to an hour to confirm, depending on network congestion. Step 4. Head back to Coinbase and check your account to verify the deposit. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets like Ledger for security, and never share your seed phrase. Also, keep an eye on gas fees or Bitcoin network costs, as they can fluctuate. If you run into issues, Ledger's support or Coinbase help centers are great resources. There you have it. Your Bitcoin is now in Coinbase, ready for trading or spending. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.